Hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Mon Outdoors, and while I'm out here at my hunting property today, I want to do some backpack maintenance. So there's two types of things that I've done with my backpacks. One is do some zipper maintenance, and the other is do some adding some silicone water guard. So this is the Atsko. You've seen videos on this, probably on YouTube about it, to help maintain and kind of just add some water coating to your backpack. So in case it does get rain, does get misty rain, you're walking back from the truck to the stand or whatever, I just want to kind of protect and make this a little bit more of water resistant than it might already be. So this is my Field and Stream backpack here. So what I thought I'd do today while I was out here is kind of take this Atsko spray and kind of just spray up this backpack and kind of show you what it does to it. They worry that sometimes it might change the color of it, but I'm not too worried about it. It's my hunting backpack, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of spray this and kind of puff it out as much as I can and just kind of spray it along. And then after we're done with that, we'll let it dry and I'll show you the final product after it's done. But for right now, while I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and take this spray and kind of spray it. So let's go ahead and see if we can do that. So we'll do the front first. I took off the patches that were on my backpack, so I'm going to start down here at the, well, I guess I'll start right here at the top. You know what, I'm going to put these, I'm just going to tuck in these zippers here and close that. There we go. Okay, we'll just kind of do across the front, kind of see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and just start spraying. Shake it about 20 times before you start, and then just spray evenly across. Okay, so we just did the front. So I'm going to do the side. Okay, and then I'm going to come to the other side here. I'm going to start at the top, spray across the front and the back here. Okay, I'll do one more coat across the front. And do the side. Cool. All right, so that's all I should have to do. So now it says wait about 48 hours for this to dry and cure. So I'm just going to go ahead and obviously I won't leave it here at the property. I'll take it home with me, but I'll just put it out on the porch and let it kind of air dry out there and see what it looks like and kind of give you another shot of it when it's all cured. And then we'll try to do a water test. We'll pour some water on it and see if it beads up real nice. So, but just a simple, quick, easy video here, guys, and just taking some of this Atsko spray and just trying to waterproof some of your stuff. You could use it on anything, right? Your shoes, your tents, your ponchos, your rain jackets, whatever you have. And it says it's suede, leather, cotton, canvas, nylon, and all synthetic fabrics. It's just heavy-duty water repellent. So hopefully it works. And you know, if I ever happen to get caught in a little bit of a rainstorm, protect some of my gear that's inside, making it a little more water resistant. So, all right, thanks for watching. There's just a quick video here, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NCP Mon Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.